Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the language on a Chromebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the white circle icon at the bottom left of the screen. In the app menu, open Settings. In Settings, select Advanced from the left sidebar. In Advanced Settings, select Languages and Inputs from the left sidebar again. Click Languages. Where it says Device Language, click Change. Select your language from the list, or search for it. Click Confirm and Restart. Your Chromebook will now restart in your new language. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chromebook tips and tricks.